Bibi aboko de.
I like that na nka ya ha adwon se bende.
Oh no baby ya. I want for say you so about so I want for say bye. Ya se wo.
Well, I need them person make bi.
On be so make bi.
Dabi.
On be so make ho hwe. But say e bye kan nyina.
Me passem.
Every do so we do so ana. Ana you the feel
I bende.
Jalla dey trend on social media and entertainment front ni ade. I mean,
dey na trend by me ya pass bre no ko. Nti yentimi mfa bebre sa nto.
Oh, but kakra bi tika bia
no. Mambo ne bede wa chese me de breti fu.
Wa bo ne bede o.
Eyi say Amachi Dede claims he introduced tattered jeans to Ghana's fashion space. Hey.
Nana Amachi.
Yes, Ghana had the obia claiming ownership of baby. Hey, yantu ya say. Amachi Dede say.
O si dey.
Tattered jeans ya mmea ne mmerema yes say ya ji ata eni ase ya say obia ahye bi. O say ye hwem pa ono Amachi Dede so onye first person no ye second person or the tattered jeans eba Ghana
so ono share the kane
o say
ana okrabai
o say ne nwum bia oto e debi ebe ye no o feature sa tattered jeans na say no tons tattered jeans I was our studio I was nwum num nti wo hwem dia ate say ono no ye first person or the side near there Ghana anti pacho obi biara ugina echi a o claim ownership so na data jeans bag Ghana Amachi Dede say so onye first and no a second e bia no be the buy so but o say ojido na akoma mpa say so onye first no a second and have to tell say age is just a number and if you are old and you want to be in the midst of old people it is your own business but on no Amachi Dede
onye peni
no say age is a club onye na just so no be say ankokora fo ne mrewa ku nim they say no tina on the original dance den
say you can't cheat on nature.
You can't what?
You can't cheat on nature.
Sure. Best go bisa we akose Japan be catch if you can cheat on nature or not.
You never say.
Into catch
obe but in case emu die
no dey but all your workout.
Oh, but I agree. How much is about the performance? I mean, live band music, state performance. Unkasa, how much did they akokra? I mean,
so what you say?
Unkasa ne nifi.
Enti de oka.
Or energy.
So what you say?
Energy pa.
Enti ba say de oka no nim de oka.
Oh yeah, me ya bi na ma say. Enti ahode de wo. Ye de me asese wo because for now legends no kwa no moko. Enti odo wo kwa. Fine. Enti how much is on the buy?
Yo.
Enti obi anti ase.
Don't claim ownership. Asa mo bi an claim ownership.
So dia so nkan hwe, I don't fuck am.
Asa metiti sauce bo say then o say pacho mo bi an claim ownership. God said I will be Ghana's president one day.
I don't know.
That's why I do politics. Prince Davido say, yeah, yes, sexy, charming actor Prince Davido say, I just oh you know boy, na me nyina pe baby egwan. O say nyame yira che say that be. Mo be the president of Ghana. Nti na say odi no hu wura politics nim. On say nansia ye campaign me MPP ni ade. Also no na stepping stone. Obeni be say stepping stone so tia this way so dey this way ja this what you say nti sa campaign no ye ne dey
nyame ne yi a hye ne se ne se so fidie na nyame yi kire
oh hwe
politics nyame yi kire
wo dey weni mbre
e dey Prince Davido says nyame yi a kire so obey politician
o say nyese si akura dachi da bi
nti o sha se with the campaign 2020
one second another campaign no dey chi bia kra jo say nyame na ede after no boase ya kire
wa ma pendo ku fio wa pesi ka
da
ne mo ya de wa ba so ba be stay
obegua Ghana fo da na akoma so
okay I mean say e ba dumelo aba nti say president ni I mean na se bu amanfo review anambwa na se kuma wuruga omo the latest buy ache nti Jacob nyina ko into politics na dumelo so abati say president Davido say so ba enye news say we should well but nyame na so we yi ache na mimi ni nya adwe
acho obi a na de nyame bia nya mesro me pesa me nya bere me ye nti say wa kasem bia wa ada enti nne so aba afon be kan we ya pacho let's accept it say yes vision I vision na me ya kire wo na nyame yi vision kire ya e bia na wo ba yi onya fasting do echi
chale ye go test
this is a family of Monamo Black break silence on his condition after viral videos. So yeah, you need to Monamo Black. Minim sa unim sa sabe papa na ntabe na adwum ka wonon. Monamo Black just say all trendy as say mrante na mabawa nyina obi asola mo na mobile and eja Kofi TV ya wampem je ne Kofi TV bebi ode ne hwene be rere ana koye family interviews na mo na mobile nipa bempote on kan kire Ghana fo na ebusanfo ni se mo na mobile ya brand bi na seb no nim ade ankas na adwemu do sesi akra seb yes na adwemu kan no kra ubisa na sama so no besi ato no boase yi wa no anso ade be ma won ene je ebusanfo ni se omudo mo hwemu a weed so o take na ayenesa na omude no kra call eja a hospital ya hwa adwemu ka doctor na ye ni interview no se da bi abranti onyare because nsem bisa na asabi ye bisa abodamfo a omo yi anu e kire se omo adwemu ka doctor na se da bi
bibia kire sa asabi
bibia kire sa abranti na o haw na obodamfo otimi bisa ni aso no so wo amomoda mo na mobile o na me de mi ntia dan ka mi ntia hwe mi ntia edian ka mi ntia hwe se be se mi didia mi didi keke how can such a person be mad
right inti doctor for a kire se
dabi
oni how
dabi
by I we kire ehun ye hwe ye fu so how but I mean no problem say yes is how mama ewu na so mu ye na wada every time I come do we hu de before
na Kofi TV sam bi se ebusuafo ni se na eba ne se na aboji efu ku ho a munya hwe fo no mu se every month be at so you just that or you hurry enwi no wo ntina ase ehun se ni 3 win na abodwen ana hu se
on 10 yi
order abontin ya dade ntina ase akaka agboma ya ewi na nya se bia omoyi omani ama no he is unkept just that he is hurry ntin pacho ya ye nije mo na mo ble ho na we asam ka kre bi afa no ho onim so obi e Instagram page aman
sir
share on number 30k subscribers
all trending wa Ghana ha
o de wonim o de ko Instagram na ko mia
enye is Ghana they are very funny no me hu
but e mo na mobile o be hu ko fe di echi
also be star
share celebrity papa
in Ghana
celebrity among them seven people
celebrity you define in here because Ghana obi aso celebrity no but elsewhere in this and I was still
so
elsewhere in this what's a bit
better now just celebrate sir before we assume now more social media is more dangerous than Jesus Christ a cosmate
Asante
another good social
actor,
media yenyina enim a cosmate yenyina enim
what is social media
social media is more dangerous than Jesus Christ na me de nya sam na okan na me gina I call interview
okay
and the effect that social media has on their industry and the youth and also na me no kware so my social media edi wenim na say etare wa akoma so a it is more dangerous than Jesus Christ na me de meji di say na person ka Satan
okay
and okay Jesus
Christ
na semi okay beso ko hwa Twitter
he was talking about negative effect of social media
okay beso ko hwa Twitter beso ko hwa Instagram just say Facebook baby
I want for say
I want say never say Jesus Christ bet me I dangerous
okay
nti e bia na no na fom ye ana wo say Ghana so de obi atwen say wa no be fom
ne
wa no fom ya na ejina ho obi atwen kita no phone say interview no atwen one of whom not is a short video but at least even though he has made a mistake, let's take the positive out of it.
Obviously
the other part is all can say Maya one in Meremana Yaban, my social media and the nim kan wa brabo nim yama ye dwuma and in the day in so day and the nim kan wa brabo because social media if you are addicted to social media will be sorry first time on one pineapple the first of how ni Instagram page, Twitter page, then page. And obi so bo obekọ adwuma be to no boys no wa adwuma na so obe share to no wa adwuma no social media
we should copy the
positive aspect of what he said despite his errors
okay
nti o say osreye mebu na ya ban yen hwese na den ye adwuma now we should change our careers we shouldn't center on social media e wo say ye DJ ni na so
over concentration on social media make it a problem there my
good
okay
say if you Schwarzenegger if you some day make an some tumbo ase se man tumbo ase a won hwe menya asem
Steve obi be some question be say and if you already ejuma maybe say me nimo maybe say no oye presenter on OKFM uno utakwa nkran still okay one na say we be on TV station radio station
no we be any radio station
what's that
Shwa FM
Uta congress your information be you provide
information and private information.
Mr. Nyanko Memfi no de tiem. Enfin.
What do you mean can you share? Usro.
Oda ma for come on.
But station Shwa FM.
Okay.
Nti and other businesses.
On one or station.
She's a businesswoman. Serious business.
So
they only.
Obviously, I got to bend so flow be no can was and if you cry you better go card boarding pa.
What the month now?
If you
Schwarzenegger rains dirty insult on Momo fraudster for attempting to steal 100 cedis from her.
Ah, good.
You need to ask Momo Fuya. But for auntie and come send it, you na share. Na baako na koya mfom so na wenyo bia number. Uncle Fred say Schwarzenegger. The Schwarzenegger Abrante say hello no say yes that's some no so. Pacho me your Momo merchant na. My mistake I send 100 cedis amo. And if you ask what's any day. Only message am nyan. Then they oya no dem Abrante say make a 100 GB so for be pa mo me.
If you do can some pandi.
Me say oya no dem Abrante.
If you can some.
Why should make career na higher na ebe wie.
If you on say dash 100 bi so all cash.
Who say?
Obi a dash.
Obi a peska akoye surgery and kefia man. I know be as be no am the hospital peska ko to medical bill and kefia man. Na wo a wo pesa on fa kweti kwans na on fa wi aniska de efia on fa ncho.
It dey feed na temper.
Isubru a ebru wan kasa pete me so.
Okay.
Efia ya on ankasa.
Enti mo we frosters no. Mo nko mam go e boni biu. Wo be fro bia sleeps o be bia fre no. Wo go fro fia asamaba. Atredio de be du ba wi ya na.
Nyamia abo na wanya fi whole Schwarzenegger na
ba. But going trend sir frosters na ba no. I think it's about time also especially MTN. I mean me concern.
And yes especially MTN it is only MTN no yes
so I don't get it. Most of them control the market no why I mean the telecom industry. One mo control market no. So why did you protect your customers? Before say worrying or say MTN for first in year. What that's here. Now how to improve matters. So that yeah among for na etwa musika nya de no ba from na say before which may use can also the ID card because one of the ways are you protect the customer. Very important because among for twom musika nya asabo MTN should do something. Maintain say Airtel go for your problem, Vodafone for your problem. But MTN they be atwa among for sika. They should be very careful. That's it. So muti why would dance one before so many competition with Kruma. Oh. So muti why would dance one. And the Empress
and then I just say I had made entertainment news, entertainment gist, trending stories. Me dan am besi.
Odesi.
Okache me tie so munya abote. Se ade maba na maba. Nti ade kyen so amede me hwene be wrewrem. Na me menu wrewrem na me anui. Na be hwegu amom. Me da se.
Ye da se Empress. Ye da se power for the